Passive income is rarely the free money promised in ads. Acquiring an asset that pays you while you sleep requires a heavy upfront payment. You either spend months of your time or a massive chunk of your savings. We are evaluating 7 popular income streams against one objective target, exactly what it takes to generate $100 per week. Standardizing the outcome removes the hype and allows us to measure the actual inputs required to reach that baseline. Select a strategy based on the currency you have available right now, your hours or your dollars. We'll use this matrix to map these opportunities. We plot capital required on the vertical axis against upfront effort on the horizontal axis. Mapping the 7 streams onto this framework reveals the true barrier to entry for each one. This provides a reality check, preventing you from pursuing a strategy you can't actually afford to start. We'll start with true passive plays like dividend stocks. You buy a share of a company's profits, and they pay you directly without any ongoing labor. This equation shows the math for a standard 2.4% yield. To generate $100 a week, you need to invest $26,666. This plots directly into the high capital, low effort quadrant. Your ongoing maintenance is zero. Private investing works similarly, requiring injections of $1,000 to $100,000 into private businesses. You choose between being a hands-off angel investor or a shark who takes control. Either way, you risk your entire principal for a shot at high equity returns. Ryan Reynolds is the modern benchmark for this. He buys percentages of companies, uses his reach to drive up their value, and collects massive checks when those companies sell. Zero-effort passivity is a luxury of